Hey guys, so today in this video I want to show you that yes, you can play online on Mario Kart Wii, and this is amazing, and I do not care if I am bad at this. I am just so excited to finally play online. I've never even had the chance to whenever I had it my Wii years ago. So, this is very cool. I did one time, just by myself, just to try it out first. So far, I'm loving it a lot. Watch this. And there we go, I'm ready to play. Showing all the people. This has been discontinued for 5 years, guys. 5 years. That's insane. Oh yeah, I guess somebody else disconnected, so I gotta do it again, but that's just your proof that this does work, and I wanted to show you guys this because I never got the chance to, since you have to wait 7 days to start doing it, but I want to show you at least one round or so of me playing. Oh my gosh, this is gonna have a lot of people. It would have been smart of me to go ahead and use a GameCube controller for this, but I didn't think of it till now. Kinda stinks, but I don't mind. I'll vote for a course. I'll probably go... I haven't unlocked all the stages or anything, but I'm gonna go Coconut Mall. Oh my... Okay, wow, that's just so cool, seeing this. So if you have a Wii, if you have Mario Kart or Super Smash Bros., I definitely recommend playing online. It's gonna be so cool actually seeing you guys or anyone playing this. Grumbo Volcano, okay. I'm not gonna do my best on this because I'm recording and trying to play this. It's very difficult to even try doing this because I'm using a Wiimote in the steering wheel, and it's not a GameCube controller, so it's harder. But yeah, that's just your proof, guys, that this does work, and I'm very happy to show you guys this. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be posting another video today, so go ahead and watch that too afterwards. So thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss a video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.